Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is November 22nd, Wednesday. So tomorrow is our Thanksgiving potluck at work, and what I'm supposed to bring is drinks, but like apple cider and sodas. Someone else bringing like fruit punch and all those other stuff. Anyways, I'm eating lunch. You don't want to see what I'm eating for lunch today, okay? Because I didn't really cook yesterday. I did like breakfast for dinner. Ooh, so yeah, I'm having some of that right now. So I have sweet potatoes, roasted sweet potato that I do in the air fryer, and sausages, egg. I also have one of these brisk iced tea that I'm going to drink with my lunch today. So that's about it. My lunch is pretty light today, as I said, because I didn't cook, and yesterday I had Wendy's, so I don't buy lunch every day. Waste money, no. Anyways, I feeling cute today. Let me show you guys the outfit of today. Yes. I was going to wear my heels, but I changed my mind. I didn't bother. So yeah, that's the outfit for today. Yeah, so I just went to the food store a few minutes ago. I walk there because it's not far from my work. I'm gonna show you guys a clip. Okay guys, so I just dashed to the food store from work on my lunch break to grab the sodas for tomorrow for the Thanksgiving potluck. Yeah, the sodas. Okay, I already got one pack of the soda, which comes with 6. So I think I'm gonna get 2 more. And I already purchased the apple ciders. I'm getting 3 apple ciders. Yeah. So this is the one that I got. The grapefruit. I'm gonna get Coke because everybody likes Coca-Cola. Good. And on special. Like what? Yes. And what else? Which one on special? Because I want to know. Okay, Coca-Cola. Okay, good. What else? I think I might get this one. What do you call this one? Champagne, yeah. And that's it. Okay, that was quick. Didn't bring any bag. People like ginger ale too, but I don't want to get too much. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Let me go eat my lunch and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the next day and it's the day of the potluck, so I'm just ready to eat some good food. And then later today we get some good food, because yes, Khadijah's aunt is a chef, so we put our order in for food. It's just gonna be a food filled day weekend. I love Thanksgiving, so I try to find something that says fall Thanksgiving, and yeah, I think this top says it all. It's cute. So it's this top, black jeans, and some white slippers. Yeah, I think this top says fall. It says Thanksgiving for sure. Okay guys, so we're in the kitchen. Kenya here is doing the salad. Yes. And I opening this can of beets. I never had this before. Just tell me how that.
Yeah, probably spoil large yourself. Say throw a lot out.
Yeah.
You see? Good. This is. It's a floating. Oh, up. Yeah. That's it. Yep, that's it. The thing with the corn. No, I can't get loose corn.
Huh?
Loose corn for. Loose corn.
Yeah.
Yeah, so think for a loose up. So that is all.
Corn. We have another thing for it? Okay.
Yeah. I think it's just around like them. So you over. Yeah. Right there. Oh.
Sure, so much tea. Too much tea.
You know what's with the water make on?
This now. When I normally do this, I normally boil it.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Carla in the back here. That's the one who was singing just now.
Everything good. I guess.
So we have a
Yes, yes.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and
Okay, guys, so we have Alton here. So he's making sweet punch. What is it? Rum punch?
Yeah, some punch. We're gonna make the virgin one, and then you can toss it up as much as you want to.
So what you have?
So
Orange
can't give
juice.
away all my secrets. A lot of people decide to use whatever they want to use. Get some grenadine, get some pineapple juice. I like to use the grapefruit juice. Persons use the orange juice. I not typically the pink grapefruit. Because you really want that nice grapefruity flavor. But I decided to use the regular grapefruit, the pink grapefruit. You know, grapefruit it great. Great.
Okay, so this should be good. This should be
Yeah,
taste good.
yeah. So most definitely, once it's done,
We're gonna see the
enjoy
finished product.
it, man. It's really good.
We should bring
Yeah.
alcohol to put in it. You say you could add alcohol,
Yeah. A lot of people
Like-
like their alcohol,
coconut rum,
Coconut rum.
peach snap.
coconut rum. Yeah, you can add your coconut rum. You can add your whatever. Some people add gin. They just spice it up, like I say.
Vodka.
Yeah, some vodka, whatever. People is add all kind of stuff.
So we'll be back with the end result, see how it looks.
Yes, we will.
can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand?
Oh my god. I didn't even look at this plate. You have fish somewhere on here.